Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to use group by function in Power BI. So group by is a very powerful feature in Power BI. To access that, we need to get into the query editor. So I right click on the query, click on edit query. You can find this feature in the home tab. It's right here in the home tab, and you can also find it in the transform tab as well. So it's right here in the transform tab. So I click on group by. So it's going to flash you this window. So now we have two options. We have basic and we have advanced. So in this video, I'm going to show you the advanced one. So it is giving me an option to select a column. So let's say we select a column. Let's select country. And the column that we selected over here, it will allow us to perform certain operations on the data. And the data is going to get aggregated by the column we have selected over here, which is country. Now what all operations does it allow us to perform? So I'll jump into that. So I'm going to show you that. So it's sum, average, median, minimum, maximum, count rows, count distinct rows, and all rows. So in this video, I'm going to show you the ones that are commonly used. So let's start off with sum. So what does sum do for us? The sum basically aggregates the values that we select over here in this column. So it is giving me an option to select a column. So I'll just go ahead and select unit sold. So it is going to summarize or take a sum of all the values in this column. At which level is it going to do that? At this level, at a country level. So it's going to summarize all the values that are present in all the rows at a country level. So I go ahead and give it an intuitive name. So I'll type in total units sold. I'm going to add a few more. Average units sold again. Average units sold. Median units sold again. It's minimum. And finally, maximum units sold. And simply click on OK. So what do we have? We have summarized the data. We have total, average, median, minimum, and maximum units sold at a country level. So what if I want to summarize the data at another level? So currently I'm studying the data at a country level. What if I want to study the data in a more granular manner and I want to add another level of grouping or aggregation? So let me show you how to do that. So I'll simply edit the previous step. I'll just click on this little gear icon. Let's add another level. Let's add product. So now I'm going to study the data at not only a country level, but various products within a country. So I'll simply click on OK. And there we are. Let's filter out a country. Let's say Canada. So the data which I showed you in the previous step was basically at a country level. Now I have broken the data down into a country and various products within a country. So I have again total, average, median, minimum, and maximum units sold within a country. So you can use it to perform various operations on the data, and you can add more level of aggregations if you want to. It is a very powerful tool that would help you summarize and analyze the data in a very intuitive manner. Thanks for watching this video.